Welcome to the Poliform stand at the iSaloni 2025. Every year we present more than just new collections. We offer a full vision of contemporary interiors, where design meets functionality and high quality. This year we've prepared a variety of exciting solutions, innovative materials and trendy color combinations. Let's walk through the stand and discover how Poliform is inspiring the world this year.
Poliform is more than just furniture, it is a philosophy of contemporary style where design becomes a way of life. Founded in Italy, the factory is now represented worldwide, remaining synonymous with elegance, quality and innovation. For many years now, Yulia Ignatova, owner of Felicita Design Agency, the exclusive representative of the Poliform brand in Ukraine, Moldova, the Caucasus and Central Asia, has been our guide to a stylish life with Poliform.
Every year, Poliform showcases a complete interior design philosophy at iSaloni. This year, the factory stand represents a harmony of minimalism and luxury, with every detail carefully refined.
This year, the main focus is on preserving the core of Poliform, which has always been the total living concept, a comprehensive approach to designing living spaces. With this stand, we wanted to demonstrate the possibility of integrating all our systems into the home environment to create greater product flexibility, from the living room to the bedroom area, where all systems are seamlessly integrated. This will allow designers who use our models to truly give free rein to their imagination and interpret them as they wish.
Well, the message that Poliform is providing to our customers and international audience, not only this year, but since already few years, is that Poliform is a complete lifestyle provider. So we do not are only specific producer and specific supplier for systems or furniture or kitchens, but we are able to create a full concept of interior design with a very recognizable, very clean, neat, elegant and sophisticated style.
When it comes to materials, it is clear that naturalness remains in trend this year. Poliform masterfully combines natural wood, metal, glass and lacquered surfaces to create striking and durable solutions. This year, wood has become the main material, and there is a lot of it, because wood is the material that most embodies our history and our DNA. It can be found in all products, in all areas, both outdoors and indoors. We use teak, elm and natural oak, which we introduced as a new feature this year. In addition, we are returning to the use of glossy lacquer, which is becoming fashionable again. So there are many natural materials, real durable materials that make Poliform unique. The color palette of the Poliform stand fully reflects the main idea of the exhibition. The mood is set by warm and cozy mocha mousse, olive green, clay pink and terracotta. These deep and natural tones emphasize the brand's philosophy to create harmonious, durable and emotional spaces.
Poliform has made a major update. The brand has replaced 13 of its signature collection colors. They are now available for order.
Exploring the Poliform stand, it's easy to notice the dominance of smooth curved lines.
The first area of the Poliform stand introduces a Jean modular sofa, designed by Jean-Marie Masson. The focus of this sofa is on its upholstery and softness. Speaking of shapes, modern design increasingly balances between clean architectural lines and soft curves. We see a perfect example of that here, a plush sofa paired with the structured geometry of our surface panels throughout the stand. Across all new models, sharp 90-degree angles are replaced with smooth, rounded transition. Everything feels soft, fluid, and visually harmonious.
Designers from all over the world are eager to visit the Poliform stand to get inspired by ideas and, of course, to be the first to see the new collections. Just like every year, there are many new products, and this year we drew inspiration mainly from the 60s and 70s. As for the new collections, Poliform doesn't have one main new product, because everything is connected, everything interacts, and everything is important.
We are now in the wardrobe section, presenting the Sensofino collection, refreshed annually. The latest edition introduced updated fronts, a new color palette, and advanced functional elements. The wardrobe fronts now presents innovative texture, updated tones of techno leather, linen, and embossed veneer. This natural finishes brings a sense of calm and refined comfort of the space.
The iSaloni 2025 exhibition is dedicated to lighting, and for the first time in 75 years, Poliform presented two lamp models, Helga and Arthur, available in floor and table versions. The update also affected the outdoor area.
Poliform has expanded its outdoor collection with a new modular Laguna sofa, designed by Manuel Galina. Its modular system allows for flexible configuration to create any outdoor setting. The iconic wall system library has been updated with the new accessories, models, textile and leather finishes, and new metallic colors. The result? A fresh look with a touch of luxury, elegance, and comfort. The new oven sofa by Jean-Marie Massot comes in two sizes, with matching armchairs. Its curved lines flow smoothly from the backrest into the armrest, while the sculptural wooden base gives a floating impression to its soft form. Introducing the Adrian Home Office Desk, available in three sizes with a boomerang shape, available with or without a side drawer and a leather detail on the top.
What is the secret to Poliform's success and the uniqueness of their style? How does the factory manage to remain an industry leader year after year? The answer, in our opinion, is simple. Poliform offers designs that are people-oriented, technologically advanced, and timeless. Designs that will bring you joy for many years to come.
And in particular, Poliform Designs is a very long-lasting product and style. While technologies is ever-changing, every few years there are new technologies, more sophisticated, more integrated. So Poliform is always looking for the possibility to prepare the platform to fit the new technologies in the ambience of the house, but being also very attentive not to let them become a limitation.
We are proud to present our unique concept that brings together the best design ideas, innovative materials, and current trends that will remain timeless. Poliform continues to develop the traditions of Italian quality and elegance, offering solutions for comfort and stylish living.